Hello, you remember me from my last video. It's me walking my mom and my dog. Well, my dog's having some issues. He got up he's taking 3 steps, then he lays down on the grass for like 2 minutes, then he gets back up and then another 3 steps. But now he's back on his feet and ready to roll. I think he was just getting tired, or he was really full of food because he peed like 8 times in a row and pooed like for 4. So, you know what? But he's like our little doo-doo machine. Came from heaven. So, oh, by the way, don't feed grass to your dogs because it kind of makes them gassy. So, when you see your dog eat grass, do not zone, because that is real bad. So, I don't know what's up. Well, I'm kind of posting this video. Groundbreaker. Not my house. Some people's houses. Well, I have to end the video once I get to my home. To my homeland. My house. Or my castle. It's not really a castle, but I'm just saying that because it's my house. My house. But, yeah. It's mine. It's only mine. Until I move, or maybe if I move. But I don't know. My family might have it for generations to come. 3,000 years later. This is documentary. My my great grandchildren is wearing my shirt. And he looks like me when I was a kid. So, yeah. So, this is my grandfather. He looks like me. This is how he looks like 3,000 years ago. I put a 3,000. Okay, back in time. Ding, ding. Hello, I'm back. And I don't know what the heck I just did. So, yeah. I'm getting near my house. So, bye-bye. And I'll see you next time on the next video with Jason.